I have a tracer here that I want to get onto my canvas, and I want to show you 3 different ways that you can do this. The first way, my favorite way, is using carbon paper. If you're old enough to remember typewriters, you remember using this messy stuff. It's kind of like, it has the consistency of tissue paper, but one side is covered in black carbon. And that's the side that we want to lay down on our canvas. We're going to put that between our paper and our canvas. And what we would do, I would tape this down. I'm going to tape my tracer down so that it doesn't move. I'm going to get it where I want it. Tape that to my canvas. Then I'm going to slip my carbon paper underneath. And you can see I've used this carbon paper a lot of times. It's got lots of designs on it, so it lasts a really long time. I'm going to slip that between my paper and my canvas. I'm making sure that dark, messy side is down. And then you can just trace right over your lines on your tracer with a pencil or a pen, doesn't really matter. And your lines will go right onto the canvas. So that's one way with carbon paper. If you don't have carbon paper, all hope is not lost. You can also just use a pencil to do the same thing. If you take a pencil and scribble over the lines on your tracer, it'll do the same thing. When you go over all your lines on the back and then flip it over and press down kind of hard to trace it onto your canvas, it will transfer the line too. So that's the second way. The third way is to take your tracer and tape it behind your canvas. Tape it on this side and hold your canvas up to a window. So you can actually set it in a window, or if you have a door that has a window in it, that will work too. But you want a light source behind, and you can actually see the tracer through the canvas and just trace the lines. So there's 3 ways to get your design onto your canvas, whether you've printed it out from one of my tutorials or you've made your own design that you want to paint. You can do carbon paper. You can put pencil over your lines and let that transfer, or you can put it behind your canvas and put that up to a window so you can see it. So happy painting, friends.